Hello, welcome to ASDB, the School for the Deaf in Tucson, Arizona. Our juniors and seniors are planning a trip to Washington, D.C. for Close Up, a chat to see how the government operates and to get some history college credit.
And we get a chance to explore Washington, D.C., visit the Capitol, different museums, see the actual place where Abraham Lincoln was assassinated, and
sightseeing, different museums, plus meeting other deaf students.
Explore. Inspired.
impact.
Making new friends from across the country, both hearing and deaf.
Visiting Washington D.C. is a lifetime opportunity.
Actually visiting places that we've been learning about in our history classes.
We look forward to meeting different people from across the country and discussing different issues that impact us.
What was your close-up experience like in 2016?
As far as my experience of when I went to Close Up, there was a lot of different experiences. Like I got to visit the White House, see the Abraham Lincoln Memorial, honestly a lot of things. I can't even remember. It was overwhelming. Really, honestly, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed meeting hearing people, meeting foreigners. There was a lot of people there, and meeting a lot of deaf people too. Honestly, there was a lot.
What was your favorite part of the trip?
My favorite part would be going to JFK's memorial with his wife buried next to him. That day it felt rainy, it was gloomy. I saw a lot of white crosses. I felt honored. It was nice but sad, yes. But it was nice looking at everything. It was a great experience.
Was the trip worthwhile?
Absolutely. It's important for kids to experience what Washington, D.C. feels like, because some kids will stay in Arizona and just stay and never go out of their own state. They never get to experience what it feels like to go to Washington, D.C., the weather, it's bipolar, learn what their system is. That's what the people here are interested in. That's pretty much it. Thanks, bye.
Please support us.
If you would like to support us, coming up is some tax credit information.
As a resident of Arizona, you are required to pay taxes. Did you know that you can donate your taxes directly to ASDB Close Up trip? For single taxpayers, you can donate up to $400. For a couple, up to $800. Here's what our tax credit form looks like. Please consider donating, and thank you for your support.
Thank you for your time and for your support here at ASDB. We really appreciate it.
Woo!